What's up, YouTube? Good evening, my friends. How you doing today? Tonight I'm going to teach you how to cure your insomnia. There is many people in the world who has the insomnia, hard to sleep, they cannot sleep. I have the same symptom, and I have the same problem when I was young. Since I start my meditation and yoga 20 years ago, and I found the very easy way to cure my insomnia. And while I teaching yoga and meditation, I teach to some people, and the thing that I teach them is work properly. So let's start it. What you need to do is you need to clear your system, your body system. So because the insomnia that you got, the sick and the problem you got is because your body, your system, the blood that you got, it cannot send the oxygen to your brain, and that's why you make you stress in yourself that make you can't sleep. So the firstly we need to clear your system, your tendon, your relaxation, to bring more oxygen to your brain, because your nerve in your system like getting bad. So we need to release the nerve system and give more oxygen to your brain. So this thing we need to fix your nerve first, and then fix your brain, give more oxygen. For this time I will teach you how you release your stress test first by breathing method that I will give you. The breathing method is very useful for everyone. This breathing method is made by yogis since long time ago. So let's start it. So what you to do is very easy one. Just put your tongue out and breathe very hard. Use your stomach and breathe like 20 times. After breath 20 times, and then hold your breath, exhale. You exhale and take out all the breath, all the air in your stomach, in your lung. So give a volume to your lung, make it volume bigger as much as possible, and then for like 20 or 30 seconds, and then inhale and keep and hold for 20 or 30 seconds. If you can do more, it much better. And then we do the second breath. We do like a 3 cycle. After we do 3 cycle, and then we sleep. And how we sleep, we try to relax, and then during at least for 10 minutes you can sleep very well. So let's do it. Put your tongue out first. After tongue out, and put and roll back your tongue inside, and then do a breath again, and then after roll back for 20 time breath, and then exhale, hold, inhale, hold, and do the second cycle. Do looping like 3 times. Let's do it. Now roll back. Exhale. All for 20 seconds. Inhale. Hold 20 seconds. Sometimes you feel tingling. Anything happen, don't worry, just keep it. And bring the air, oxygen to all the body, and exhale. Now do second one. We do it 3 times. Your tongue again out. You roll your tongue back behind. Exhale. Hold your breath. Inhale. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. It can hold more, much better. So your nerve system now is a little bit warm, and you feel something tingling everywhere, shaking something. Don't worry, just keep it. You do one more time. Your tongue out, and your lung volume is getting bigger. Keep from your stomach. Keep moving your breath from stomach. Now roll your tongue back. Exhale. Hold your breath. If we can keep longer, much better. Inhale. Hold it. If you got headache, you can release it too. Your body is getting warm. Now what you have to do next one is very easy. You just need to count your breath in your nose. Feel your breath in your nose while you count your breath from 1 to 10. When you inhale, and just close your mouth and close your eyes. Inhale slowly, count it 1. Exhale, count it 2. Inhale 3. Exhale 4. And feel your body. Inhale 5. Exhale 6. Inhale 7. exhale 8, inhale 9, exhale 10. Then you can put your hand just in the front of you or under your belly. Keep your hand, your thumb touching each other, so your energy not coming out from your body, while cure yourself and relax. And your chin, pull it behind, and your body is straight from up to down. Keep inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Feel comfortable as you can. Keep breathing, inhale, exhale, while count your breath. Inhale. After 10 count, return to 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep looping like that. It takes like a 10 minutes. Doesn't take longer. When you feel relaxed, you will feel very sleepy. Then you can dim your light, or you can put off your light. And you feel sleep, just lay down. Lay down. Relax. You can dim, you can put off your light. Put your hand up like this. Do not put your hand above your stomach. You will feel cramp because you have your nipple. The nipple is for the people who is dying, so you can put it up here, right? Because the baby when before born, the energy of food from your nipple. Okay, put it down, just relax like this, relax as you can. If you have bed sheet, you want to cover yourself, just cover. If you are in the winter, just relax like this. Yes, while keep counting your breath from 1 to 10. Inhale 1, exhale 2, inhale 3, exhale 4, inhale 5, exhale 6, inhale 7, exhale 8, inhale 9, exhale 10, and start again. Inhale 1, exhale 2, just relax like this, keep it. Then if you feel sleep, you will sleep. And because your system, your tendon already relaxed from the breathing system, breathing method that I did just now, your head already empty. You need to do this exercise during your stomach empty. If your stomach full, you will be hard to breathe this exercise. If you feel sleep, just sleep, doesn't matter. During the day, wherever you like to sleep, just sleep. Just keep this exercise. If you do it every day during 2 months, less than 2 months, the insomnia will be gone. No more insomnia. The one that need you think is if you cannot sleep, you need to say something to yourself like, I do want to sleep tonight, I do want to sleep tonight, I do want to sleep tonight. That's it. You have to make your brain, you have to ignore your brain, because if you do, you push yourself to sleep, if your brain is opposite, doesn't want to sleep. So make it, okay, if I cannot sleep tonight, I will sleep tomorrow or the next day. I will be fine. Okay, keep breathing slow. And if you sleep, you will feel sleep for sure. I already fixed many people, including myself. No more insomnia. Okay, that is today. Thank you to join my class. If you are first time to visit my class, don't forget subscribe and comment. And I have a free class for every week meditation. So see my link on the description and follow my class. It's a free. You can practice yourself in your home. Namaskaram.